Well, guys, we tore it apart. We were about to fix the brakes on it, yeah. Them, only one side works. Them, none of them work. Here's my grandpa's Honda Ranger 350. And here's my uncle's Suzuki 230 clutch. That one's semi-automatic, and here's mine. Still, all tires off, tire rods off. See, look. Yeah. We're thinking about getting different tires and stuff for it. Tried to get that hub off. Bunch of WD-40. Well, not WD-40, PP Blast. Well, we're gonna try something tomorrow and see if that works. Wait, let me show you something real quick. Moves a lot, and yeah. And brakes aren't like bad, but they're starting to get there. And gonna have to get a new brake drum thingy because it's broken. And yeah, I'm gonna have to spend a lot of money, more than I thought I was. All I thought I needed was brakes. But don't need brakes up here. What was I gonna say? I forgot, but kinda mad, and yeah. And I'm probably have to spend more than I have, but I'm gonna see if I can make more money somewhere. I was gonna order new tires, but I don't know if I have enough money to, but oh well. If you want Michael to get a YouTube channel, just 3 likes, guys. Same with the other video, and if I haven't uploaded that video yet, oh well, you'll see it soon. It's pretty funny. And yeah, see you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see ya.